Florist for the night. This is the one my husband did, but I appreciate him. Oh god. Well then I had to read the instructions anyway, so hopefully I'm getting it right. This lasts longer than the flower I got, I think months ago, about I think 3 months ago. Those were sunflower. That one too tried. Stayed for some days before it started withering. So yeah, this is just me trying to get this right this time around and hope this one lasts even longer. Cause this vase I'm not even supposed to be using it. This is for the flower, the artificial flower in my room. So I had to put that one somewhere since the artificial flower anyways. But I ordered a nice looking vase similar to this but glass. So yeah, and it should come in on Sunday from what Amazon says. Hopefully they deliver in good time so that I can be using the transparent glasses for my natural flowers and not the artificial ones. Yeah. So see, come and patronize me. I've turned florist for the night because of Valentine. Yeah, these flowers are beautiful. I hope my arrangement is nice. I hope this is beautiful already. Thanks to the husbandman, he has good eyes. He has good eyes. Like for all the flowers I know he's gotten for me, man never disappoints. They are beautiful. Okie dokie. I can't believe I'm cutting this one. Oh shit. Alright. Yay. We're almost done. Okay. Oh, this is nice. I like this one. Okay, I think I'll cut this one a bit longer. I'll just make it fall. It's fine. Hold on. Should I put this one in the middle? Yeah, baby. Ooh, wow. Bien, bien. Oh, God. I'll make this one a bit longer. Yeah, this one is more greens. And it's hard to cut. Please. Shit. Okay. I think they should come here too because of the white. No, please don't tell me I'm going to do this. I won't have one cut it. So. Okay. I actually put the flower food, which is the first thing I showed you. Crystal. Yeah. Oh, sorry. That's a crystal. Crystal. So yeah. I had to put it with this in the Ziploc bag so that it's be enough for when I'm changing the water. Almost done. I hope I did well with my arrangement. Hope I did well. Okay. Alrighty. See, I also need a vase that has like wider space. So the one I placed the other four, I had to consider that too. Like the opening or being wider. Oh, this is cute. And it's different from the rest. This is rose. So nice. Okay. I think I'll make this one longer since it's like the odd one out here. Put it somewhere here. It now became shorter. Let me put it in the middle. Because it has this odd thing going on. Yeah. Can you imagine? Thinking I put it inside the vase already. So I'm just gonna sort it. Yeah. See, your girl has become florist overnight. Okay. So we have a few more to go, like a couple to go. We just remove those ones that are already withering. So, because from the instruction it says remove any part that is withering off or that's will you keep quiet? Withering. And English is hard. Jesus Christ, Chinelo. Okay. I think we have a bigger size of this one here, so yep. I still want to put it where I just cut a bit because I want to put it where the white flowers are more. Do I cut it more? I think so. Yeah, let me cut it off a bit. Just a bit. The flowers, the petals, they're off, but this is cute. I don't mind putting it somewhere. Okay, so where do you want to stay? Let's see. Touch the water. Alright. We're doing a variety. Like, what I always thinking that those things I want already. All went out, but let's see if you're gonna survive the night. We'll check on you tomorrow. So, let me clean this off and then we'll just take a good view of this.